You need to watch this if you struggle with understanding atoms. Trust me, it's mind-blowing. A single sneeze. Just a simple achoo, right? Wrong! It's an atomic explosion in disguise. Every sneeze launches around 100,000 droplets into the air. Each tiny droplet, mostly water or H2O. But here's the kicker. Every droplet holds billions of trillions of hydrogen and oxygen atoms. Multiply that by the total number of droplets, and you're looking at more atoms than there are stars in the observable universe. Yeah, let that sink in. This microscopic burst of energy shows us how even the simplest actions are packed with atomic fireworks. So next time you sneeze, remember, you're unleashing an atomic marvel right under your nose.